Alright, it's been a while since I've recorded anything. But I just bought a new seat for my Road Glide, so I'm going to put it on. Right now, I have the Mustang Vintage Wide, and I love this seat. I've had it for, this is the second motorcycle it was on. So it's been about 30,000 miles. But the new seat that I got is the Tripper Wide Solo with the passenger pillion. So it's just going to be a quick little switcheroo, and then we'll let you know what I think. It's going to be a couple days before I get on. Well, no, maybe tomorrow. We'll see. But right now I'm going to switch that out. I've got my other camera set up, so I'm just going to record. You all know how to put a seat on, I'm sure. But real quick, I guess, for those that might not know. One screw in the back. When I take this passenger pillion off, there will be two screws that this slides into. So I'll take those off. The seat just kind of slides out, and I will install the new one in the same manner. This particular one requires a screwdriver. And I really do like this Mustang seat, although there's a little tear going on right here, and I don't want it to like spread. So I wanted to get a new seat to give it a try. So there are the two grooves I was talking about. They slide right into these two bolts that hold the Solo seat on. Sometimes these get pretty tight. Depends on if my mechanic tightens it too much. And by mechanic, I don't do my own fluids. I have someone change them. Just because I don't want the mess. So a buddy of mine owns a motorcycle shop called Sideshow Cycles. I'll put his information down below, so if you're local, that's one of the best guys you can go to for your service. Yeah, so he didn't tighten them this time. Too bad. Lifts right off, just like that. And now I have this little bib. It protects the paint from the mounts and whatnot. And would you look at that? It comes with one. This particular seat came with the new screw heads. But I'm going to use the same ones I had because I like them. Oh, that's a perfect fit. I mean, it's so much different from that big seat. I just hope that it's comfortable enough for when I do my summer trip. I can already tell, if you recall the Vintage Wide, the back stands about this tall off the fender. So I can already tell this will move me back a little bit, which will be nice. It'll give me a little more leg room. On my Street Bob here, I have the Day Tripper. So that's comfortable for around town, but I mean that bike itself isn't made for long distance. Not the way it's set up. I got the diamond stitching on it, so it adds a little more texture. It does come in the distressed brown. It also comes with this little black washer that will go under this tab, so it protects the fender from the little tab there. Get it started, and then carefully with your screwdriver just tighten that back bolt. Well, there's the new seat. That's a sharp looking seat. Very low profile. Let me kick my leg over and see how it feels. I like that. I'll put the part numbers right below in the description of this video.